Good morning. So this is the day 2 here in Kerala. So Ashish and Advait, and they have some nice spot actually somewhere near I think around 4-5 kilometers from here. So we'll be going there, and it's like a nice place and an explored place for a shoot, it seems. So Ashish is the pilot today, so we'll be taking. So he always plans, so I'm just following him today. So I hope it's good. That's all.
ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು. ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Yeah, let's go. The Wayanad. We were here before.
Huh?
You were here before.
Yeah. Months back.
Oh.
That bridge, not that big, is the tribal area.
Oh, okay.
It's absolutely beautiful, man. Look at the area.
Yeah, actually, the entering itself, it was so nice from there when we entered. This is absolutely beautiful. The entire the feel of Kerala. Yeah.
Have some local tea.
Thank you.
Oh my god, that thing is just
Where?
that thing on the rock, no?
Yeah.
And it opens its wings, man. Oh my god.
മീൻ കറി തന്നെയാണ്.
Mean curry. So this is the day 2. We are going again. We checked out at the hotel. We were going for a homestay experience today. Enough of the hotels. Gone inside that tea forest, huh? Oh. Beautiful. Nice, no? Yeah. Friend? Evaru? This is camera. YouTube just YouTube.
Oh. Photo.
Say hi. Hi. Video.
Okay. Drop bag.
What's a bag? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೆಸರು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. This is the room where we'll be staying. Really nice. It's a bit hot though. We were still waiting for it to rain. It's all cloudy that side. Or this side is all dry. So guess where we are riding? Yeah, that side. Okay, finally it's raining. We are talking to this homestay guy, so he suggested there is a place called Elimbileri. So we'll be going there, and there's like a hill side it seems. There's like a huge hill on both sides. It's only raining on the left side, so guess what? We'll be going actually like left side. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೈಕ್ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Come up. No.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ. See, that's why this is all my Duke doing. You don't get any traction at all. It's not getting here only, so I doubt it will get it anywhere there. Yes, come on. This is why you need an off-road tire.
இங்கதான் வேண்டாம்.
Oh, okay.
It's private.
No, we'll say 2 minutes here, we'll leave now.
That's what I told them. Over there. Where you are from?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
So you have to walk to the waterfall, is it?
No, this is private property actually.
Oh, okay.
So you just go this way.
Okay.
We can go through waterfall.
Oh, is it?
Go right through the waterfall.
Oh, okay. Ultimate is looks so nice, man. we actually found this. It almost like came out of syllabus. We didn't know that if there will be nice place or not. He has told that there is some place like this, I mean, where you can water cross, but we didn't think that it will be this beautiful. And he even actually lost the route. We went somewhere else, and it was actually a restricted area.
But this guy.
It not always happens that it goes to some good trail. It usually like ends up in a dead end or something. We'll have to come back, but today, yeah, it got lucky. I got lucky. Yay! Fuck, the back tire is sleeping like crazy. Fuck. I did a kind of like a fish tail. Almost came with illare bandu. Oh, illi.
One has thin tires now, so it manages. This one will be like slick as if it was.
But super fun, man. Now I can sleep peacefully in the night.